Hello everyone, it is Miss Kelso here to go over how you need to log into a NaNoWriMo website. So the first step is you're going to want to go to this link, https://ywp.nanowrimo.org. Make sure you do the YWP, which is the Young Writers Program. When you do that, you'll see a page that looks like this. Make sure that you're doing that one rather than just putting in NaNoWriMo. That'll take you to the adult program. The adult program is a little bit different. First of all, it'll ask you to make a goal of doing 50,000 words. And also it doesn't allow you to join my classroom. So you want to make sure that you select the YWP, Young Writers Program.nanowrimo.org. Once you do that, you're going to select Sign Up. Once you do that, it's going to say, are you a young writer or are you an educator? You are going to select Young Writer. And to make sure that you're a young writer, it is going to ask you to enter in your birthday. Now, if you are over 17, technically they want you to go to the adult site because you're an adult now. But because you're doing the program through this class, I want you to do the young adult site. So if you're over 17, I'm just going to ask you to be a little creative with your birth date so that they believe that you are 17 or younger. I would never ask, of course, for you to lie, but this is a creative writing class, so just be a little creative with that. That way you can use this program and join our class. So put in your birth date there. Then it's going to ask for the class code. The class code will be listed down below in the information about this video because it changes every year. So you'll enter your class code there. And when you do, it should say, is Miss Kelso's Creative Writing Class the correct group? Or it'll have, I think, the date. But anyway, and if that is correct, say yes, join the classroom. Now, it'll ask you for your email address. You can use whichever email address you want to use for this. This is just can be your personal email address. It can be your school email address. It doesn't matter which one you want to use. For your username, this is what does matter. This is what I'm going to see. So I'm going to ask that you use your first and last name in order for you to get credit for your work. So your username should be your first name and your last name. Please don't use just your first name. I have a lot of students who have the same first name, and I don't want to have to try to guess who's who. So do make sure you use your first and your last name. Where it says first name here, you can just put your first name, and then the time zone, of course, is Eastern Standard Time, and then you have to accept the terms and conditions. Once you do all of that, you will be taken to this page. This is a little confusing. It says NaNoWriMo dared you to join the challenge. Do you accept? Actually, we'll say 20, the right date there, but say yes, you accept. This you cannot do until November 1st. So even though you select this, nothing will happen. Don't worry, just wait. At this point, you're setting up the account. It won't be able to go in and accept the challenge till November 1st. But do make sure you see the right classroom. You should see Miss Kelso's Creative Writing Class. And then if you do that, if you select in there, that'll take you into the actual classroom. Once you're in the classroom, you should see the announcement that says, welcome to the class. I'm excited to have you here. If you see this announcement, you'll know that you are in the right class. Now, a couple things in case you want to personalize your account. If you go up to the top where it has a picture, you can go to Profiles and Settings. You can change your avatar. So select the right circle at the right hand, Profile Settings, select Browse, find a picture in the computer you want to use, save Profiles and Settings. Now, just so you know, until you hit that, it won't actually show up. So don't worry, just go ahead and go through the steps, hit save, and you can update your settings. And that is all it takes to get set up and logged in to the NaNoWriMo site. Again, you can't do anything else on the site until we officially start on November 1st. So once you've got that set up, you are all set to go.